Hi guys, welcome to Sabondi Academy. In today's video, we'll be solving the question 1 of the 2018 of the core math theory questions. We'll begin with question 1a. Simplify 2 plus root 3 all over root 3 minus root 2 minus 2 all over 2. So let's begin with our solution. 2 plus root 3 all over root 3 minus root 2 minus 2 all over 2. This is supposed to be root 2. So we find the LCM. Our LCM will be root 6 because root 3 times root 2 will give us root 6. So root 3 will go into root 6 root 2 times. So we have root 2 multiplying 2 plus root 3 minus root 2 will go into root 6 root 3 times. So we have root 3 multiplying root 2 minus 2. So when we expand this, you have 2 root 2 plus root 6 minus root 6 plus 2 root 3 all over root 6. So we simplify this. Positive root 6 will cancel negative root 6. We'll be left with 2 root 2 plus 2 root 3 all over root 6. So we have a z in the denominator. So we rationalize our fraction. We multiply the numerator by root 6 and the denominator by root 6. So we have root 6 multiplying 2 root 2 plus 2 root 3 all over root 6 times root 6 will give us 6. Now when we expand the numerator, we get 2 root 6 times root 2 will give us root 12 plus 2 root 6 times root 3 will give us root 18 all over 6. Root 12 is the same as root 4 times 3. And this is the same as root 4 times root 3. And the square root of 4 is 2. So we have 2 times root 3, which is equal to 2 root 3. And then root 18 can be written as root 9 times 2. And this is the same as root of 9 times root of 2. And root of 9 is 3 times root of 2. So this is the same as 3 root 2. So our equation becomes 2, then root 12, which is 2 root 3. So 2 root 3 plus 2, then root 18, which is 3 root 2, all over 6. Now this can be written as 4 root 3 plus 6 root 2 all over 6. And this is the same as 4 root 3 over 6 plus 6 root 2 over 6. So 2 will go into 4 2 times and 6 3 times. 6 goes here 1 and it goes here 1. So our final answer will be 2 over 3 root 3 plus root 2. So this brings us to the end of question 1a. Now don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. And don't hesitate to leave your questions in the comment section as well. So we'll be moving on to question 1b. Mr. Kofi sold the machine and made a profit of 15%. The buyer later sold it to Mr. Nana at a loss of 10%. If Mr. Nana paid 20,700 Ghana cedis for the machine, how much did Mr. Kofi buy it? So let's begin with our solution. So let the cost price of the machine be X. So it means Mr. Kofi bought the machine at X Ghana cedi and sold it and made a profit of 15%. So if 100% is equivalent to X Ghana cedi, then he sold it at 100, which is the cost price, plus 10%, which is the profit. So the selling price will be equal to the cost price, which is 100, plus the profit, which is 15%. So the selling price is 115%. Now, if 100% is equivalent to X, then 115% will be equivalent to what? Now, if more or less divides, so this will be equal to 115 over 100x. So this becomes the selling price. So this is the selling price for Mr. Kofi. Mr. Kofi sold the machine at 115 over 100x Ghana cedi. The buyer sold it to Mr. Nana and made a loss of 10%. So now the cost price for the buyer is equal to the selling price for Mr. Kofi, which is 115 over 100x. So his selling price is equal to 100 minus 10, since he made a loss of 10%. So that will be equal to 90. So if 100, which is our new cost price now, is equivalent to 115 over 100x, then 90 will be equivalent to what? So if less more divides, so the new selling price will be equal to 90 over 100 times 115 over 100x. So the buyer sold it to Mr. Nana at 90 over 100 times 115 over 100x Ghana cedi. And from the question, we are informed that Mr. Nana paid 20,700 Ghana cedi. So this is the amount at which the buyer sold it to Mr. Nana, which is also 90 over 100 times 115 over 100x. So we can say that 90 over 100 times 115 over 100x is equal to the amount Mr. Nana paid for the machine. He paid 20,700. So that is the selling price. So it will be equal to 20,700. Now from here, if we make x the subject, x will be equal to 20,700 times 100 times 100, all divided by 90 times 115. So our x will be equal to Ghana cedi 20,000. And we stated earlier that our x is the cost price, which is the price at which Mr. Kofi bought the machine. Therefore, we can say that Mr. Kofi bought the machine at Ghana cedi 20,000. So this brings us to the end of question 1b and to the end of question 1. In our next video, we'll be solving the question 2 of the 2017 of the core math theory questions. See you in our next video, and bye.